Now, let's make a chat you can slide left and right with hidden icons and a clean snapping effect. Start by opening ProtoPie Studio with the components you imported from Figma. Select one of your chats and add a drag trigger. Then, add a move response set to horizontal with a custom limit. This will make your chat draggable only within the range you've defined. Next, let's add the snapping effect using conditions. Use a touch-up trigger, and inside it, add conditions to check the chat's X position when you release your finger. If it's far enough to the left or right, use a move response to slide it all the way to the edge, revealing the hidden icons. If it's not far enough, simply use reset to move its position back to the center. And just like that, your chat now snaps perfectly into place when released. Finally, let's control the icons. Add a chain trigger with opacity responses to make the icons fade in when the chat reaches either side and fade out when it returns to the center. That's it! Using only simple triggers and responses, you can drag your chat, watch it snap smoothly, and trigger icons to appear and disappear. Stay tuned for Part 3, where we'll build the story open and close animation and the call interaction.